Alright friends, today in this video I am going to create a simple parallax effect which is responsive. As you can see this example on your screen, when I scroll down this web page, then there have been a simple parallax effect used in this images. So with this effect also it is responsive. When I turn it to the 1200 pixel, then the content of this web page also remain within the sections. Then turning it too small to 500 pixel, then also you can find the content of this web page also within the section. When I turn it to the 300 pixel, then the content also remain within the section. So it is completely responsive simple parallax effect. For this you have to come to a desktop. Here I have created a folder named simple parallax. On clicking on it, you can find the three image which is required to create a simple parallax effect. Second one is the index.html, which we are required to create the markup, and the third thing is required to style our markup. So let's open with the code editor. Here in the index.html I have written all the basic syntax that is required. In this head tag I have given the title and I have linked my css file. So in the style.css I have given some style to the body. Here the margin is 0, padding is 0, and font family is sans serif. So coming to the index.html, here in the body section you have to create a section having a heading or simple heading or anything that you want, and then paragraph having a dummy paragraph lorem ipsum, and then copy and paste it twice to three times so that it will be visible. And then after this section create another section for image. So having it empty, let's open with the live server. Here is the preview that we have written. So in the new tab, search for parallax.js. Here in the first website, here you have to click on the download section and coming to show in folder, and you have to extract this folder within this folder, and then on clicking on the parallax.js, copy and paste to the folder here, and then coming into this you have to copy and paste the installation script in the head tag. Remember, in the head tag or in the body tag you can put it, and then just cut this path and put parallax.js where we have actually pasted. So here you can see the data which is actually required to create a simple parallax effect. So in this, have the path of your image is the 1.jpg. So after this we have to come to this section. It doesn't work. We have to style this with a section of width 100%, height of 500 pixel. So as you can see, the image has been come having a simple parallax effect. Now give some padding so that the content of our web page with will become justified and in the center. So padding is 2.5 and 2.5 from the bottom and top, and 5% from the left and right. So box sizing a border box so that the content will not overflow, and font size is 20 pixels so that it will be visible for an PC. Here in this, just copy this lines of code that we have written, two section double. I have used the three times. So just cut and paste the images path. I have 3.jpg and 2.jpg. So after saving it, here is the preview. I have three images having the simple parallax effect used. So we are going to style now the heading and the paragraph section. So section having the heading of S2. Here the display will be inline so that there have been a background simple background color used. Here putting any background that you like. I have written the hot pink, but it is not looking so well, so put the color white and having some padding of 10 pixel and 20 or 30 pixel. So as you can see, this look very nice. Now we are going to create this web page responsive. So for this, at the rate media screen, so this is the basic syntax. Cut this and write maximum width is equal to the width that you actually want to be responsive. Let's take 900 pixel. First in the section I will create, not section is the selection, this section. In this, put the font size will be 12 pixel, and then copy and paste this thing so that we will put another font size for headings. It is 50 pixel. It is quite bigger than the other. So we are going to create another responsive for 400 pixel. Here putting the font size 8 pixel and font size of heading is 12 pixels. So let's inspect it. As you can see this example, when I scroll it, then the content of this web page is within the section, and on coming this website or scrolling this website, then it is truly responsive, as you can see. So please like and share this video if you have been till the end of the video, and I hope that you will be successful in making this kind of